Take a look at the world around you. It's radically changed, especially when it comes to shopping. Brick and mortar stores have been replaced by virtual store. In-store browsing has been replaced by Facebook Live selling. In fact, Facebook Live sales are all the rage right now. These sessions can put your business on a fast track for increased customer engagement, sales, and revenue. But we all know that it's not easy to create and host a Facebook Live selling session. Things can get messy really fast, and your live selling session can quickly turn into a nightmare. It's very normal to see the purchase instructions, links getting lost in the comments. Adding that incoming comments with customers' queries regarding size, color, durability, invoicing, return policy, and tens of other such questions can overwhelm any session host, even with a full-blown team to support and back them. Presenting Selling Live. Selling Live accepts, manages, and processes orders and even handles customer support during live sessions while you focus on showing your range of products. Doesn't matter what you're selling: clothes, mobiles, electronics, watches, computers, or even houses. Selling Live provides you with a virtual army of workers powered by our software that can effectively handle hundreds and thousands of customers during your live sessions. All you need to do is follow these 3 simple steps. Step 1, simply connect your Shopify and Facebook. Step 2, create a session and add the products that you want to sell during your live session. You can add and remove products anytime from the session. Step 3, go live and receive, manage, and process orders right from inside your dashboard. Engage and convert your customers via Messenger using our technology. Every feature inside Selling Live is aimed at increasing your sales, revenue, and leads. Selling Live sends invoices, builds a wait list, and even filters your order for invoice, purchase, waitlisted to give you an overall view of how your session went. Now, I can go on and on about all the amazing features, but I'd rather have you take a look at them on this page below and be amazed at what all can be done completely hands-free when you host your next Facebook Live selling session. Watch the demo to learn how easy it is to get started. We've got real-life examples as proof as well on the page below this video. We timed the release of Selling Live to perfectly match today's needs. Now it's time for you to do the same and match your purchase as well. Get access to Selling Live today to take advantage of the special launch pricing. Avoid paying a monthly or a yearly fee later. Test drive this life-changing app to know for yourself. We offer you a 100% within 30-day refund if you don't make profits with Selling Live. We can't wait to welcome you aboard this new age in profit-making and interactive selling. See you on the other side.